Welcome. In today's video, we'll be shooting two different type of releases. We got a back tension hinge release by Archery, and we have a thumb button release by Archery. This is the Pursuit. Two different releases. I'm just curious on what one shoots better at 70 yards, because I'm going to be hunting with the Hinge 2 this year instead of my thumb button. So I'm just curious to see what I can shoot better. And Hinge 2, 3 arrows first and 70 yards. Shot right. That's okay. As long as I get good groups, I'm fine. Right next to the one arrow. All right, let's go take a look. Hinge first. Anyways, I was aiming for pretty much this whole thing. I can't really see this, but that was to give you an idea. I was aiming at the middle of the cardboard, just right. Height is pretty good. All right, let's go shoot the thumb button. All right, now the thumb button. Alright, those are 3 arrows at 70 with the thumb. One was just left, the second one was high and left, and then the third was left and right was really good, but just kind of high. So shooting the hinge for the second time, second round. Better. Better. There it is. All right, those are 3 hinge. This is my first one. That was awful. It is in the wood, but that's wet wood, so I can get that out. These 2 really nice shots. Still shooting a little right. This one was just me. Thumb button again. Second round. That was the left. Oh, left, right, middle, boom. Warm out. I think I nailed it in the third shot. So that was the first one, second, and then third. So boom, boom, boom. Hinge, third and last round. Just right again. That was a good shot. Pretty much the exact same shot. Just right. That was just a little low. Released when it was low. First, second, and third. Last round. There we are. So I'm shooting left regardless. Target fell, but that was afterwards. So that was good. Just left, high, high. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I like making videos like this, and comment down below if you like videos like this, because I will keep making them. But anyways, I don't know. I'm gonna try the Hinge 2 this year, hunting with it. Comment down below what do you think did better? What do you think performed better, the Scott Archery or the Hinge 2? So, yeah. Hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.